In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find good sellers on Dhgate 2025, step by step. If you've ever felt unsure about which seller to trust, this walkthrough will help you make confident, safer purchases and avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening Dhgate and searching for your product, whether it's wireless earbuds, sneakers, or a watch. Don't grab the first bargain you see. Instead, scroll through multiple listings to get a feel for the typical price range, photos, and descriptions. Extreme outliers, especially unusually cheap listings, often come with compromises you don't want. Next, open a product you like and click the store name to visit the seller's page. Check the store age. 2 years or more is a solid baseline, and long-term activity is a great sign. Be cautious with brand new stores that show little to no history or reviews. The risk is higher when there's nothing to judge. While you're on the store page, review the feedback score. Aim for 95% or higher positive ratings. Combine that with clear transaction history, and evidence of repeat buyers. More sales plus consistently high ratings usually means the seller delivers as promised. Don't stop at star ratings on the product page. Click into the reviews and look for photos or videos shared by buyers, detailed comments about quality and fit, and consistency across feedback. Red flags include no reviews, generic one-word comments, or the same photos appearing over and over. Check the number of orders on the listing. 100 or more is a good starting point, and 500 to 1,000 plus is even better. Higher order counts indicate the product and the seller have been tested by the market. Now compare the same product across 3 to 5 sellers. Look at total cost, including shipping, the quality of reviews, and seller age. Choose the best overall value, not just the lowest sticker price. Watch for listings that look cheap but have inflated shipping. Before buying, message the seller with simple questions. Ask for real photos, the handling time before shipping, and whether they can provide QC or quality control pictures. Reliable sellers reply clearly within about 24 hours. Confirm that the listing includes buyer protection, clear refund or return options, and tracking. Avoid anyone pushing you to pay outside Dhgate, cancel protection, or move the conversation to outside apps. Start with a small test order of one piece. Evaluate quality, packaging, and shipping speed, and consider recording the unboxing for your records. When you find a winner, follow the store, save the product, and reorder from the same seller to build a trusted relationship and smoother future purchases.